Hi, it's Eric, and I've got a lot of work to do today, but I'm in the kitchen because I've got to make lunch, and I'm going to show you the easiest lunch that you can make in Japan. You can see from the sink full of dishes I'm a little busy. It's the new school year coming up, so what you're going to do first is put on a kettle of water, or however you boil water in your house. I mean, I don't need to tell you how to do that. Then you get your instant potage of whatever variety you like. I think this Minna no soup is pretty good. You've got pumpkin soup, corn soup, and potato soup. I'm going to use this cream onion today. You're going to want a pretty big bowl if you're just going to do this one thing as a meal. If you're going to do it as a side, you can just split the half the recipe. In the meantime, take one of these super handy microwavable rice things and pop it in the microwave. Okay, 2 of those in there. 150 milliliters of water per soup packet, dry packet, and then stir it well for 15 seconds. Microwave's finished. Another one, or I could just buy a bigger measuring cup, but this is fine. Stir that for that 15 seconds that it calls for on the box. Now get your rice. Be careful when you open it, steam will come out. You're just going to put that rice in there. I'm going to have to do that with 2 hands, so you'll see the before and after. There's a little of the middle. Okay, that's pretty much it. I made a YouTube video about it in less than 5 minutes. You can get the potage or the corn soup and the microwavable rice at any convenience store, so it's super convenient and fast, and it's you know, not gourmet or special or anything, but it'll fill you up. There you go. Enjoy. Bye bye.